At the IIDEA Company, we currently feature state-of-the-art Italian technology for our packaging line, allowing us to achieve an installed capacity of over 5 million cases per year. This line is equipped to package any type of distilled alcoholic beverage. This entirely automated process enables the optimization of our resources and ensures the production of a superior finished product that meets the strictest requirements of our customers worldwide. Our commitment to innovation, safety, and international certifications has guaranteed the consumption of our products in more than 50 countries worldwide. Additionally, we are strategically located in a logistically strategic area, boasting the largest storage terminal in Latin America, with a capacity exceeding 90 million liters and convenient access to railway networks. This offers you an integrated process from liquid reception, packaging, finished product to transportation. At the IIDEA Company, a proudly Mexican enterprise, we uphold our commitment as one of the most significant companies, always at the forefront in each of our processes.